Port, where the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja has turned down a request by former Governor of Kogi State, Yahaya Bello, seeking the release of his international passport. Justice Emeka Nwite says the medical report attached to the application was not signed by its maker. Celestina Iria reports.
Mr. Bello had applied for the release of his travel document so he could travel to the United Kingdom for medical attention. His counsel, Joseph Daoud, presented exhibits which constituted an expert report on Mr. Bello's health status, saying that sufficient materials have been placed before the court to exercise its discretion in favor of the applicant. He, however, argued that the applicant was a known hypertensive patient for about 15 years. The prosecution, while urging the court to dismiss the application, noted that the motion was technically incompetent as the sureties to the defendants were not informed. He noted that the application was an abuse of court processes. Justice Emeka Nwite in his ruling held that contrary to the submission of the prosecution team, the application was not an abuse of court process. On the issue of the surety, the court held that the matter before it was Yahaya Bello versus Federal Republic of Nigeria and not versus the sureties. The judge further aligned with the argument of the counsel to the defendant, ruling that the surety ought not to be included in the application. The court, however, held that the medical report provided by a doctor was not signed by the maker and as such lacked any legal efficacy. The court emphasized that unsigned document carries no weight in law and is such considered worthless. The defendant had failed to place sufficient materials before this court for his passport to be released for his travel. Consequently, this application is hereby refused, Justice Nwite said. The court was therefore adjourned to October 7th and 10th and November 10th and 11th, 2025 for continuation of trial. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.